A very warm welcome to all of you. Good afternoon. From the very inception of our channel, SM Tutorial, till today, it has been a wonderful journey, and we both of us, me and my colleague, both of us has enjoyed the journey till now very well. And lots of thanks for all those who have subscribed the channel, and also for those who haven't subscribed but still are watching what we are releasing on our channel. So thanks to all of you once again. For the last around 15 to 20 days, we have launched our channel SM Tutorial Online 2022. So we hope that with the passage of the time, and we are going to provide more knowledge and inputs into this channel. So be there on the channel, keep looking the videos that we are launching on the different subjects on the channel, and comment on whatever you peoples need to watch through the channel, or whatever the betterment we can do for the channel, because this is totally an educational channel for which we are working, me and my colleague. I am Onik Shaha and my colleague is Priyanath Mukherjee. We both have inducted this tutorial in the year 2019, and from there on we have been in this journey. Eventually we are still running after this pandemic also, and right now the situations are far better, as government has already declared to open all the schools, and it has been already 2 to 3 days that the schools are all running. So we are praying for the best, so that we can get the best for this particular year 2022. And with the passage of the time, we are looking for more love and affection from all of your side, not only for those who have subscribed, but also those who are watching the channel and still not have subscribed. So please share the channel, like the channel, comment on it and subscribe, and definitely press the bell notification icon, so that whenever we are launching any new video on the channel, you can get the details information on whatever we are going to provide on this particular channel. So thank you once again. Thanks to all of those who have been a part of this particular channel from the very first day till date to the last video they have watched. And we are thinking to get something more new on this channel with the passage of time. We are also learning how to provide our best information from the particular from our side on the different subjects on this particular channel, and hope to have a very wonderful journey with all of you. So thank you, thanks once again, and please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.